Hello, my name is Steve Bigelow with the Candlestick Forum. The stocks to watch this week are a couple short areas and a long area. This week, the market pulled back. You can see how it's in a trend channel. Now we have to make sure it stays above the bottom layer of this channel and bounces back up. However, a stronger sell feature or a sell factor was in the NASDAQ when they did a Doji followed by a gap down below the T line. Stochastics starting to come rolling down. Now we watch to see whether this area right here, the 200, the bottom of this trend channel, all act as support. So anticipate some more consolidation to the downside, but not yet a full-scale reversal in the sense that we're still kind of in a trend channel. We have to see if that breaks out. So the strongest sectors we looked at last week, one was the Biotechs, where we were seeing things gap up like IMMU, and it kind of continued its uptrend in this upward trend channel during the week, as well as CVM. Came out of this slow curve with kind of a double doji sandwich. It produced some more upside this past week. This week, this one, this is why you always look for sell signals. It had a good price move, but then started selling off pretty hard. Now, the strong sectors this week, still look at the gold and silver mining stocks on the long side, toy makers and regional airlines on the short side. So there's a lot of charts looking like this in the gold mining sector where they did bullish signals right here on the T line, continuing its uptrend. Look for wave one, kind of wave two, ready to go into wave three. Same scenario on bearish gold. Look at the left-right combo. Next price move should be back up to the top of the trend channel. And MAG, one of the silver mining companies, you can see how it's in an upward trend channel. It's supported on the T line. If it trades higher, more than likely it's coming back up once again to the top of that trend channel. On the short side, you want to take a look at shorting the toy companies. Hasbro did a bearish best friend followed by a bearish doji sandwich, and it closed below the 50. This would imply a lot more downside. Same scenario over here on Mattel. A bearish left-right combo at the same level it topped out before, but this time it was even more relevant that it did it right here at the 50-day moving average, followed by a bearish doji sandwich. If it breaks this level right here, look for a lot more downside. And the regional airlines all kind of failed. Notice kind of the bearish flutter kicker signal on SkyWest, also right here at the 50. So the first target should be down here at the bottom of the channel, at least putting you in a profitable situation if it comes down here on a short, and then see if it doesn't hold that this support level. American Airlines, the bearish flutter kicker, if it doesn't hold this support level, a lot more downside, probably to the magnitude of coming down to the bottom of this major channel. And RYAAY, look at the bearish kicker type signal, probably heading at least back to the bottom of the channel. And if it goes through there, a lot more downside. So this week, this week we saw strong selling, especially over here in the NASDAQ, and probably a pullback in the Dow. So you want to have both long and short positions in the portfolio for at least the next few days. That'll be it. We'll see you in the chat rooms.